welcome to my video. Hi, it's LPS Diamond. First of all, today I'm going to be making Play-Doh, and I'll show you how if you want to just follow along. And yeah, I forgot an ingredient, so I'm going to go get that. So, be right back. Okay, so the ingredients you will need is a cup and a mixing spoon, water, flour. You don't have to add food coloring, but I'm going to, and you can add whatever color you want. And last but not least, salt. So first, what you're going to do is you're going to get your water. You're going to pour as much as you want. Just be careful. Don't spill it. I hope this still doesn't have shampoo in it, because I just made a video and it was a fail. So, yeah. Next, I'm going to add my food coloring next. Oof. Okay. And you're just gonna mix the color. Ooh, that's a dark blue. I like that. The reason I'm adding blue is that's my favorite color. You can add your favorite color or just a color you really like. And next, you're gonna add your salt. Don't add too much. I'm just gonna put some on my hand and just put it in there. And the thing is with this salt, it's like, the pieces are like really big, but it's okay. Then you're just going to start adding your flour. I'm going to add a little bit at a time. That's what I would do. Try not to make a mess because this flour is really messy. And I think you can add or use any type of flour. As you can see, it's like this. It's like really disgusting, but it'll get better. Trying not to make a mess. If you add too much water, it's okay. Just like keep adding flour and it'll work. I need like a tool for this because I'm just gonna use a pencil because I don't have anything else and this is really messy. And if you add too much flour, just add more water. Try not to get it on my fingers because there's food dye and it might stain my fingers. As you can see, that's probably a lot of flour there. So I'm just going to add. Oh, that was probably too much, but it's okay. The thing is, this thing is really small. Yeah, that was way too much water. But I can make it work. You can too. So I know this is like my first video of not LPS, even though this is LPS channel. What I was thinking of doing is not just LPS, and that's why I changed my channel name to Tater Toot for a while, because I was going to start doing gaming, but I don't have the resources, and I don't have a camera yet, so I can't until I get the setup. Or I can just, I don't know how to record like on just like your screen on your computer or whatever. That's what I need. But I don't have that. So that's why. And if you have any like username suggestions, because I sure don't. Okay, this is getting really messy. I don't like it because I don't want to clean up all this flour because flour is really hard to clean up, I learned. I really need to switch bowls. This is so messy. I need to clean this up. As you can see, I can touch it right now. That's because it has a bunch of flour on it. And if it has a bunch of flour, you can touch it a little bit, but then it'll like stick to you. Ah. Trying to get all this flour to mix in. There's flour everywhere. Oh my gosh. As you can see, it's like this right now. I'll be right back. Okay, so what I did is I cleaned that mess up and I just put a paper towel on my desk. So, yeah. As you can see, it got wetter. We need it dry because that's how Play-Doh is. So you're just going to keep on adding that flour because I promise you it'll work. I've done it. Did I forget to add the... Okay, no, I didn't. I thought I forgot to add the salt. Also, what I do is I add a little salt on this part too. So, just gonna add on my hand again because... Okay, so... No! As you can see, my hands are getting messy from touching it. But I can just clean it up later. Okay, so I don't think it's ready yet. Still. Some pieces look really ready. Like this. What you want to do is you want to get a piece, then like dip it in like the flour because it helps a lot to make it not sticky. And then you just want to mix it, like play with it like this. Oh. What I do is I do sections. You don't have to, but it's easier. Because if you just get the whole thing out, it's going to be really, really sticky. And I don't think you want that. As you can see, it's getting really sticky. Just keep adding that flour. And I feel like getting more flour because there's barely any flour in there. You just have to like cover it in flour. I'm gonna go get more flour. There's like barely enough for all of this in here. So I'll be right back. And if a little more is here, that's because I did it while the video is paused, which I'm probably gonna do that. So I'm gonna get more flour and probably almost finish this. And on the last piece, I'll like unpause. And you'll get to see. So, yeah.